Alright, so if you remember the piston head here, how corroded it was, I cleaned it off. I used a wire brush, just one for the drill, kind of make it a little faster. You just got to be real careful because it is a seating surface, it'll mess it up. And then down in the chamber here, you see you have a reflection that's enough to tell you that, hey, it's been cleaned out, you know. So, yep. That's all I did with it so far, so we're going to throw this thing back together and see what happens.